because they're saying that much of the theft happened during the time of the
Where
Duterte
is it?
administration.
Put it there in the investigation. Where is it?
Well, ICI pa lang nga mag-establish na. But we're saying, di ba, moving forward,
Alam mo, ang
parang are we going to vote the same people in
Ang hirap naman
government na
kasi,
nakikita na nga raw na,
hanapan-
I'm just mouthing what people are saying.
Hanapan nyo naman ng corruption ng mga Duterte na hindi nyo muna unahin itong mga congressman ngayon. Na sure na meron ng mga contractors at engineers na sinusuka na yung alam nila. Kung may witness kayo dyan against Bulong Duterte, why not? Ilagay nyo dyan sa investigation commission nyo. No one should be spared. Di ba? Pero yung Pulong got 51 billion. How much did Romualdez get? Right? Nung time ni Duterte, kahit anong sabihin nyo kay Duterte, JK, mamatay tao, ganyan, nagmumura, pero takot sila kay Duterte magnakaw ng hayag-hayagan kasi mumurahin sila ni Digong. Takot sila.